let us dive in. This tool is called Done AI. To get started, click the link in the video description. It will take you directly to the site. Once the site opens, do not log in with your actual email. Important note, if you get a sign-in pop-up like this, just cancel it. Logging in with your real email will not give you free credits to generate videos. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get unlimited free credits in this video, so stick around. Here are some examples of creations generated by this AI. Pretty impressive, right? And guess what? You can create unlimited images and videos with this tool completely free. Alright, now let me show you the trick to getting unlimited credits. First, click on the Recharge button to sign up for an account. Here's where the trick comes in. Instead of using your actual email, we're going to create a temporary disposable email using Temp Mail. Open a new tab and search for Temp Mail. Click the first link. Once the site loads, delete the pre-generated email and wait for a new one. This ensures you get a fresh email not already used by someone else. Got it? Great. Copy the new email, go back to the sign-up page, and paste it here. Now click this button to send the verification code. Now head back to Temp Mail, scroll down and open the verification email. Here's the code. Copy it and paste it here. Click Continue with email. Now create a strong password, confirm it and click Done. Wait a few seconds and boom, we've got 300 free credits, enough to generate 10 to 15 videos for free. Let's start creating. First, upload an image to animate into a video. I used Leonardo AI to generate all my images. You get 150 free credits daily, so you can keep making new images effortlessly. If you don't want to use another tool, you can generate images directly inside Dig AI by entering a prompt here. It only costs 5 credits per image. Now let's add some background music. You can either select from the built-in options, upload your own music file, or even record your own voice. And here's another cool feature. You can even lip sync your videos, making your images talk. To turn your image into a video, add a video prompt here and hit generate. Each generation costs 30 credits, which is super cheap compared to other tools. Each video generated is 10 seconds long. That's mind-blowing because most AI tools charge the same credits for just 5 seconds. For a 10-second video, other tools charge 60+ credits, which gets expensive fast. Once your video is ready, just click download. It's that simple. How to get unlimited videos. Now, once your credits run out, just go back to Temp Mail. Refresh the page, get a new email and repeat the process. And just like that, you can generate unlimited videos for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels without paying a single cent. Generating vertical videos for Shorts and Reels. Want to make vertical videos? Here's the trick. If you upload a landscape image, you'll generate a landscape video. If you upload a portrait image, you'll get a vertical video, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. This time I'll upload a portrait image, copy my video prompt, paste it here, add some music, and hit generate video. In just a few seconds, it's ready. These kinds of videos are going viral right now. And with this tool, you can automate a faceless YouTube channel and start earning fast. Bonus, making your image talk with the lip sync feature. Before we wrap up, let me show you how to make your images talk using the lip sync feature. Start by uploading an image, then turn on lip sync mode. Here's a sample script I used to generate my audio. If you don't have a voiceover, you can upload one. I used ElevenLabs to generate this. Now just add a simple prompt like a lady talking, or leave it blank, then hit generate video. Look at the results. Smooth camera movement, realistic lip sync, and natural facial expressions. This tool is seriously impressive. With this powerful tool, you can effortlessly lip sync any character to your voice in just seconds. Simply upload your video, add your audio, and watch the magic happen. And that's how you can generate unlimited AI videos for free. No more expensive subscriptions. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. If you want to see more free AI tools in action, check out this next video here.